Welcome friends, in our Welding Defects series, today we will study about porosity defect. We will come with more welding defects in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Definition of porosity is open holes formed by gas that was trapped when the weld cooled. Sometimes called pinholes. What is corrective action for porosity? 1. Completely remove porosity from all intermediate weld areas. 2. Grind or carbon arc the affected area until the unacceptable porosity is removed from the weld. 3. Weld repair the affected area, if needed. What are preventive actions for porosity? 1. Remove contaminants from the joint like rust, grease, moisture prior to welding. 2. Maintain filler metal control requirements. 3. Maintain appropriate arc length or wire stick out. 4. Adjust torch or rod angle. 5. Use the largest size gas cup possible and keep it free of spatter. 6. Position wind screens between the welding operation and any heavy flow of air.